Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show how to download files on ZArchiver app. Easy and simple steps. The first step is make sure you are already installed ZArchiver app on your phone. If you are not installed, go to your Google Play Store or App Store, then download the Archiver app. Now the another step is open the ZArchiver app. Make sure you are already granted to storage permission, and the another step is navigate to the folder where your folder is. Navigate to the folder where your file is. This could be downloads, WhatsApp, or any other folders. And the other step is tap on the file you want to download or extract. If it is compressed files like zip or RAR, then tap on extract here. And the other step is tap on file you want to download or extract. Then if it is compressed to file zip or RAR, then tap to compress zip and choose the destination folder. Then tap on the device storage, and here you will see the option of, and that's it. Choose the destination folder, for example internal storage of downloads, and that's it. Thank you for watching the video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Thank you.